Well, hi guys, welcome to today's tutorial, which is about the leg warmers. So I think they are very nice. You can use them with different kind of boots and you can change the look of your boots. I used them for my rainy boots, but I'm gonna do others for other kind of boots. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe if you are new to my channel and you like the content of my channel. And please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and follow me in my other social media platforms like Instagram and like Facebook, so you can check other updates that maybe I don't do here on YouTube. And also don't forget to check my Pinterest page, and don't forget to check my Etsy shop. There you can support my work because I do a lot of mochila patterns, tapestry crochet patterns. And without further ado, let's just get into it. For this project I am going to use this kind of acrylic yarn. It is not very thick, but also it is not very thin. Also I am going to use, here it's recommended like 7 to 8 mm, but actually I am using a 3 mm hook because I want my slip stitch ribbing to be really tight. I got this in gray color. So what I'm gonna do first, I'm going to do a slip knot, and then I'm going to do 50 chain stitches. So I will start to do 50 chain stitches for the size that I want to do it, but you can do it longer or you can do it shorter, depends all up on the chain stitch, the base chain stitch that you do. Okay, I have a tutorial for that. I will link it up here so you can check how you can do a chain stitch. So let's do 50 chain stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4. Once you do your chain stitch, then we are going to start to do the first row of the slip stitch ribbing. I have a tutorial for that. You can check a more detailed tutorial up here, but also you can just follow me here. So I will insert the hook at the chain 2, 1, 2, chain 2, insert the hook and do a slip stitch. And then just keep working like this, all the chains one by one with a slip stitch until the end. Once you come at the end of the row, you are going to have a result similar to this, and then we're going to do the next row. 1 chain stitch, turn around, and we're going to insert the hook now, not from the front, but from the back loop, and I will insert it to the second stitch, back loop only, and I'm going to do a slip stitch, and I'm going to continue the same on the next stitch, back loop only, insert the hook, yarn under, pull through and pull through, slip stitch. So just keep doing a slip stitch on all the back loops until the end of the row. Now once you arrive at the end, your work will look like this, but just be careful and grab that last stitch, which is this one over here. It's very tricky, this one, so you have to grab this one, otherwise the end over here, it's going to look ups and downs. You don't want it to look ugly, so just grab that last stitch. So once you arrive at the end, you will have this kind of result. Then you do 1 chain stitch and turn your work around. And then you just keep doing the same thing. You work only with a back loop, slip stitch. So insert the hook at the stitch 2, 1, 2, back loop only and slip stitch, and keep working like this, back and forth until you have the size that you need. Okay, so I finished the whole crochet part. Then I'm gonna do just 1 chain stitch and pull some yarn. I want to give you the size of the rectangle that I made for my leg. It's 24.5 long and then is 18 cm high. So I'm gonna sew it this way, like this. So this is how high and this is the width. I'm gonna pull some more yarn because with this leftover yarn that I'm gonna pull here, I will sew. I'm gonna use this kind of needle. And then I will put 2 sides together like this, or in the other side, because slip stitch ribbing is actually the same on both sides. Then I'm gonna sew the 2 sides in a certain way that is very finely sewed, so you can't really see because you need to use this in both sides. So I will try to attach 1 stitch here, 1 stitch here, but really fine. Okay, so here it is. It will look like this, but it's also nice in the other side because you need nice in both sides. So the next thing that you want to do is try it on. I'm taking my rain boots, the ones that I use a lot, and that's the purpose why I made these leg warmers. So once you have finished, you just put them like this, and they look pretty. So it's gonna look like this, and also you can just turn them like this. Yeah, I think I'm gonna use them a lot, and you can make different colors. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. This is how you can help me grow my channel and how you can help me make more content. Please leave in the description box what other tutorials are you interested in. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you on my next one. Tschüss!